Number 202-30217. Number 2013. Number I Quan Tao Shen Yuan Villa Yeho Holy Temple in brief. Number I Quan Tao Shen Yuan Villa Yeho Holy Temple in brief. It is brief to introduce I Quan Tao Shen Yuan Villa Yeho Holy Temple. The appearance of building. TSZ Shin Pavilion and Maitreya Garden. Temple door, 5 Sage Temple. Nearby there are Shi Tz Village Jenan Temple. National Tainan University of the Arts. Wu Shantio U Reservoir Scenery District. Heaven Platform, Suspension Bridge. Floor 1 2 3 4 5 N. Basement and kitchen, dining room. 5 Sage Temple is constructing. Consecrate 5 great bodhisattvas. Completed and started using at 2009 AD. To develop boundary truth matter, foreign temples. Photos of campaigns of Tao Society. To visit and link friendship. Celebration activities. Important website. To look ahead. Tao Society in brief. The scenery of Villa is similar to the fairyland of the world. Famous product, the product is named Paluomi. Characteristic, reflection. Yeho Holy Temple is legal to apply for building to make. The building is very magnificent. The building's appearance is Chinese traditional palace type. It was designed by Tao members, was sincere, concentric to establish. TSZ Shin Pavilion, Maitreya Garden. Were constructed by the donation of Philippine Dao members. Door of Great Truth, Tao, and Tao Society of Choosing Sage. The characteristic of temple door and poetry in pairs. Expectation holy region and place of wise person. 3,600 sages, 48,000 wise persons are here. 5 great bodhisattvas consecrated by 5 sage temple. Are named Great Love, Great Sympathetic Heart, Great Wisdom, Great Wish, Great Behavior bodhisattvas. Nearby there are Shi Tz Village Jenan Temple. National Tainan University of the Arts. Wu Shantio U Reservoir Scenery District. Heaven Platform, Suspension Bridge. The creator of Yeho Holy Temple is Senior Elder Chen, named Justice Guarding Great Immortal after died. His hometown is Guantian Town Shi Tz Village. The big wood carving Buddha at the General Palace of the first floor. Are carved by supernatural wood which were thousands of years old. Maitreya Buddha, Jigong Buddha, Guan Shryan Bodhisattva. The House of Historical Deed of Grand Senior Elder He.